Days after the bombing, 6 men were arrested, convicted and spent nearly 2 decades wrongfully in jail. It became one of the most notorious miscarriages of justice in British history. One of the Birmingham Six is now supporting the family's campaign.
It's time to put it to bed. It's not just for my sake and for our family's sake, but also in respect of the 21 innocent people that were butchered that night.